Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to proceed chapter number 12 of geography. Our today's topic is the interior of the earth. The interior of the earth. Earth is an almost spherical body which radius is of 6400 km. Earth's interior is made up of a series of layers that sit below the surface crust. Means that there are a series of layers just inside the Earth's crust. You can compare the Earth with an onion. On the basis of layers, we can compare the Earth with an onion about its structure. Like an onion, Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another, one layer inside the other, thereafter another. There are three main layers: core, the mantle, and the crust. There are three main layers of the earth: the core, the mantle, and the crust. The core is the densest part of the earth, while the outer layer is the least dense. So, we are going to discuss about the earth crust. The solid outermost layer is called the crust. The solid outermost layer is called the crust. Crust is the outermost layer of the earth. It is also known as the lithosphere, and this is also known as the other name of the earth crust is lithosphere. There are two types of crust: the continental crust and that is below the landforms, and the oceanic crust that is below the oceans. The continental layer is about 35 km thick, while the oceanic crust is about 5 km thick. The continental crust is made up of mainly silica and alumina minerals. In the continental crust, whatever the in the continental crust, we find that it is made up of two types of minerals, that is silica and alumina. That's why it is known as Sial. The oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. The oceanic crust, the formation of oceanic crust is of silica and magnesium. That's why it is called SEMA. Continental crust consists of granite rocks and basaltic rocks, while the oceanic crust consists of basaltic rocks and gabbro. The earth crust is made up of seven large plates known as tectonic plates, which move about independent over the asthenosphere. Thereafter, mantle. Just beneath the crust is the mantle. Mantle is the middle part of the earth, which is found just under the earth crust, and the thickness of mantle is 2900 km. It is mainly made up of iron and magnesium and other heavy minerals. Temperature ranges of the mantle is from 1800 degrees Celsius that is near the crust, to 28 degrees Celsius, that is near the core. Magma is found in this layer. The upper part that lies just below the crust is called asthenosphere, which is the zone of molten rock. The upper part of the mantle that lies just below the crust is known as asthenosphere, and this is the zone of molten rocks. Thereafter, the core is lies below the mantle. That means the core is the innermost part of the earth, which is located just inside the just after just below the mantle, and is huge inside. Its radius with a radius of 3500 km. The innermost part of the core is solid, while the outermost part are liquid. The innermost part of the crust of the core is solid, and the innermost part of the core is liquid. The innermost part of the core is solid, and the outermost part of the core is liquid. The core consists of heavy metals like nickel and iron, and therefore it is also known as knife. The mass of core is equal to one third mass of the earth. The mass, we can say that the weight of the earth, the weight of the core is equal to the weight of the is equal to the one third of the weight of the earth. The temperature varies from 22 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. Thank you, beta. After this, we will have to study about rocks and minerals in our next lecture. Thank you.